Energy crisis, blackouts, food shortages. Who's prepared? As we face a rapidly changing world, one of the most pressing issues isn't just what's happening today. It's about the future. The future of our energy supply, the future of our food, and how all of this affects us personally. From blackouts to empty shelves, many nations are, already feeling the strain. But the bigger question is, who's really prepared for what's coming next? Let's start with Europe. Okay, energy prices have been soaring. Natural gas prices, which fuel much of Europe's electricity, have shot through the roof.
Countries like Spain, Portugal, and France
have found themselves, facing rolling blackouts as the grid strains under increasing demand exacerbated by rising geopolitical tensions. As winter looms, the cost of staying warm isn't just high, it's a crisis for many households. While Europe and many parts of the world have been investing heavily in renewable energy, it's not enough to replace fossil fuels, especially when extreme weather events test our infrastructure. The promise of clean energy is still a future goal, not a current solution to the problem of today. The grid still depends on fossil fuels, and with limited supplies, energy prices will remain volatile. That is the truth. Now, let's talk about food. Specifically, food shortages in parts of Africa. Droughts and political instability are disrupting agriculture and decimating local food supplies. But it's not just Africa. Across the globe, we're seeing supply chains unravel. Goods that were once easy to find are now either unavailable or priced out of reach for many. In the US, food inflation it's at an all-time high. From grains to meat, prices are rising faster than wages. And the reason? Well, I think we kind of all know. It's a combination of poor harvests, strained transportation network, and the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, which has dramatically impacted global grain supplies. With rising cost and limited availability, many families are feeling the pinch. What can we do about it? First and foremost, it's time to start thinking differently about how we live and invest. The truth is, these challenges aren't just about surviving, they're about thriving despite them. More people are looking to energy independence, growing their own food, and investing in long-term solutions. The goal isn't just to cope, it's to build resilience. Off-grid living is becoming more than a lifestyle trend, it's a necessity. Homeowners are investing in solar panels, wind turbines, and even creating their own water systems. And when it comes to food, urban farming, community gardens, and backyard farming are helping people provide for themselves and reducing dependency on the fragile supply chain. But it's not just about going off-grid, okay? It's also about smart financial decisions. With the instability in energy markets and the unpredictability of food supplies, investing in precious metals, farmland, and real estate is a safe haven. While many are looking at digital currencies and renewable technologies, these tangible assets provide security when everything else seems uncertain. One thing for sure, change is coming, and while the challenges ahead are great, they also bring new opportunities for those who are prepared. The key isn't waiting for things to get worse. The key is acting now, preparing for the future. It doesn't just mean protecting what you have, it means investing in a better tomorrow. So if you are ready to take charge or your future or want to change, and you'd like more information about our services, don't hesitate to contact us at my second option. Whether it's securing land, diversifying your investment, or building your own sustainable lifestyle, we're here to help you. We're here to guide you through the changing landscape. Don't wait for the storm to hit, just prepare today. Remember to like, subscribe, and we'd love to hear your comments on the comment section. And our WhatsApp link is in the description box if you'd like to contact us directly. See you on the next video.